Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk all about life and food, family and fun. Today we're talking a little bit of a life hack that's going to help you multitask and get things done faster so that you have more time to spend with your family and do the important stuff. So if you're interested in finding out what I call the waiting file, stay tuned, keep watching, and let's do this. All of us are super busy and we're always running around going to all these different places, but if we really sat down and calculated the amount of time that we spend actually waiting while we're doing all of our busy stuff, I think it would add up to quite a bit. For instance, you have a doctor's appointment, you're waiting in the waiting room. You have a dentist appointment, you're waiting. You take your kids to soccer practice, you're waiting. You're picking them up from school, you're waiting. This tip today, this hack, is on how to maximize that time when you're waiting. So it's called the waiting file, and what you do is you make a to-do list of all the things that you can do while you're sitting in a car, you're sitting at a park, in a waiting room, whatever those things are. Like make a grocery list, return some emails, call your mom back, set up dentist appointments, set up doctor's appointments, whatever the things are that you need to do that you would normally have to sit down and take the time to do. If you make a to-do list of all of those things and put them in the waiting file, then anytime that you find yourself waiting, you can get those things done while you're waiting. So if you want to put an app on your phone or use the Notes app on your phone, or if you use a daily planner or a notebook that you keep in your purse or your book bag or your car, you just write those things down, and every day when you find yourself waiting, you can get those things done. Now, if you're old school and you like Post-it notes and you like to put Post-it notes in your car, you can do this too. If you're someone that really likes to use Post-it notes, kind of old school, that's a great thing. You can put them all over your car, but I wouldn't recommend them right here on your windshield because it's kind of important to be able to see while you're driving. I mean, you could do this if you look through the cracks, but I wouldn't recommend it. Words of wisdom from Heather. Where do I come up with this stuff? It's genius! So it's as simple as that. That's my hack for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to make a waiting file so that you have more time to do the important things in life. And otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you stay inspired, and I hope you subscribe to this channel. That's that little red button, and then once it turns gray, there's a bell that shows up right next to it. Hit that bell button and you'll be notified of all upcoming videos. I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And until next time, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. See ya, ladies.